Okay, welcome back. This is Carl DiNardo from Eckerd College Library, and I just have one more thing to kind of circle back on and show you before we shift gears a little bit and start talking about the Cite While You Write plugin for Microsoft Word and how that connects with EndNote. So what I want to show you really quickly is if we go back into Web of Science. So I haven't left this window. And if you recall, we did a search and we pulled in this article on climate change and Plasmodium vivax, malaria transmission. And I can see this little EN here that signals that I have indeed added that to my library. So I don't inadvertently keep adding it. That's not going to show up in all of the databases that you use. Again, this is owned by the same company. And so it's kind of nice there, but it's not something that's going to be everywhere. But what I can do here, and what I want to show you, is if I click this checkbox and let's say this checkbox, and I'll scroll down a little bit to number 9, and that one's available as well, or not just available, but something I'm interested in. What I can do is import these at the same time, do kind of a bulk import. So if I have the ones I want checked. If I go up here to save to EndNote Online, right, 3 records selected, I want everything, and at least full record, and I click send. It's sending 3 records. If it's successful, it should say 3 records sent, and there we go, 3 records sent. Okay. So if I go back to my EndNote library, again, it still reflects 1 reference, but if I refresh the page, 3 have entered my unfiled folder, and I can go in there and select all of those and add them to my climate change group. No references stored in unfiled anymore, but they are all in my unfiled group at this point. Okay, I just wanted to show you that you don't have to do all of these individually, at least in Web of Science. You can pull many in at the same time. Okay, when we reconvene, I will show you about Cite While You Write and how to start leveraging the power of these citations that you've brought in. All right, see you then.